Xiaomi is preparing to roll out its next set of flagships, the Xiaomi 15T and 15T Pro, with a global launch confirmed for September 24th. And we finally have a look at the design of the upcoming smartphones. The camera island sits in the top left corner, shaped like a rounded square with beveled edges. The lineup include two phones, the Xiaomi 15T and the Xiaomi 15T Pro, and the specifications of both these phones have also been leaked online. This one will have a larger 6.83-inch 120Hz display. The 15T will be powered by the Dimensity 8400 Ultra. It sport a 50MP telephoto camera in place of a zoom lens, but it will still have the same 50MP primary and 13MP ultra-wide cameras, 32-megapixel selfie camera, 5500 mAh battery with 67W fast charging. Pricing tip to start at €649 for the base Xiaomi 15T. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.